Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something that I believe is really important for all of us. Finance and money. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to improve your financial situation, this video is for you. The first step in taking control of your finances is to track your expenses. This means writing down every single transaction you make, no matter how small. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a notebook. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments. Once you have an idea of where your money is going, it's time to create a budget. Set financial goals, like saving for an emergency fund or paying off debt. Assign percentages of your income to different categories like housing, transportation, and entertainment. If you have high-interest debt, like credit card debt, it's time to tackle it. Consider consolidating debt into a lower-interest loan or credit card and make a plan to pay off the principal balance. Having an emergency fund in place will help you avoid going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible savings account. Finally, it's time to think about investing in your future. Consider working with a financial advisor to create a diversified investment portfolio that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. That's it for today's video on finance and money. Remember, taking control of your finances is a journey, and it's okay to start small. Start with one step today and work your way up to achieving financial freedom. As your income increases, avoid the temptation to inflate your lifestyle by spending more on luxuries. Instead, direct excess funds towards your financial goals. So, which of these 5 steps are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial content. Check out my website for more resources. Follow me on social media for daily financial tips. I know some of you may have questions about the topics I covered in this video, so I'll do my best to answer some of the most frequently asked questions. Q. How do I track my expenses? A. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a notebook to track your expenses. Find a method that works for you and stick to it. Q. How do I create a budget? A. Start by identifying your income and expenses, then assign percentages of your income to different categories. Make sure to include a category for savings. Q. How do I pay off high-interest debt? A. Consider consolidating debt into a lower-interest loan or credit card and make a plan to pay off the principal balance. You got this. That's it for today's video on finance and money. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like me to cover, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content on personal finance and money management. Remember, taking control of your finances is a journey, and it's okay to start small. Start with one step today and work your way up to achieving financial freedom. Hi, everyone.